Let me ask you something. What if AI didn't just answer your questions, but actually did the entire job for you? That's exactly what Perplexity just launched. It's called Perplexity Computer, and this is not a normal AI mode. This feels like the beginning of AI that truly works independently. Inside Perplexity, there's now a simple toggle Ask or Computer, and that small button changes everything. When you switch to computer mode, the AI stops being a search engine and becomes an active problem solver. You don't give it a simple question, you give it a complex goal, and it handles the rest. Here's where it gets powerful. Perplexity Computer doesn't rely on just one AI model. It actually orchestrates multiple top models like GPT and Claude behind the scenes. It breaks your big request into subtasks, spins up specialized sub-agents, assigns the best AI model to each part, and then runs tasks in parallel. So instead of thinking step by step, it thinks like a coordinated AI team. Then they showed a content use case. Download a podcast, find a specific section, trim the clip, make it vertical for TikTok, add captions, and it did the full media workflow. Downloading, editing, rendering, all automatically. For creators, that's huge. One example in the demo was insane. A user asked, "Is NVIDIA undervalued? Update my valuation Excel model." Pull competitor data from APIs, download supplier and customer import data, build a web visualization, and rerun everything every earnings season. That's like 5 hours of analyst work. Perplexity Computer pulled real-time financial data, updated the Excel file directly, compared NVIDIA against AMD and others, built a live interactive web visualization, and scheduled it to rerun automatically. That's not AI chatting, that's AI executing. Another example. Someone wanted to buy a house and turn it into an Airbnb. Perplexity Computer pulled data from Zillow, checked market benchmarks, calculated cap rate and returns, built a rental financial model. And then the user said, "Monitor competing bids." The system connected to Slack and sent real-time notifications when a higher bid appeared. That's proactive AI, not reactive. This is what makes it different. It connects to Slack, Google Sheets, Gmail, GitHub, Salesforce, Notion, thousands of apps. It runs in its own isolated environment with a real browser and real file system.